The Arab world, a place with a rich history, exciting culture, and amazing hospitality. When you visit an Arab country, you're welcomed with open arms and a warmth that makes you feel special. This is karam, a very important value in Arab culture. Imagine this. You visit someone's home. Right away, you're offered Arabic coffee from a special metal pot called a dala. You also get sweet dates. This generous welcome is what Arab hospitality is all about. It's not just about food and drinks, it's about making you feel important, like you belong, like you're part of the family. Conversations are easy, like sipping mint tea. Everyone laughs together and you make real friends. That's the magic of Arab hospitality. In a world where people often focus on themselves, this feeling of community and wanting to share is really special. It reminds us of how beautiful it is to connect with other people.
If you walk through the markets of Marrakesh or the streets of Beirut, you'll see beautiful traditional Arab clothes. Each piece of clothing tells a story about family history, beliefs, and where people come from.
The abaya, a long black cloak, is something you'll see often. Sometimes it has beautiful embroidery or beads. It represents modesty and elegance. Men often wear the thobe, a long, loose white robe. It represents purity and simplicity.
But Arab clothes are not all the same. From the bright, handmade fabrics of Morocco to the simple headscarf of a Bedouin, there are many different styles. Each area and each group of people has its own special clothing, showing its history and culture.
It's amazing. In a world with so many quickly changing fashion trends, Arab clothing shows how important traditions are and how clothes can express culture.
Get ready for a taste explosion. Arab food is a super exciting adventure. Forget the boring Middle Eastern food you might see in some stores. This is the real thing.
Let's start with couscous. It's fluffy, tasty, and you can eat it with many different things. From stews to salads, couscous is a popular food in many Arab countries.
Then there's kosheri, Egypt's national dish. It's a mix of lentils, rice, macaroni, and chickpeas, with spicy tomato sauce and crispy fried onions. It's like a party in a bowl.
And you can't talk about Arab food without mentioning mandi. Imagine juicy lamb or chicken, cooked slowly in an underground oven, with the smoky smell of wood. It's a dish you share with others, and its delicious flavors show how generous Arab culture is.
From sweet pastries with honey to refreshing lemon mint drinks, Arab food is amazing. It uses fresh ingredients, strong spices, and old cooking methods passed down through families.
If you want to see the true spirit of the Arab world, look at how they celebrate important events. Weddings are huge parties with music, dancing, and tons of food.
Imagine the beat of the tabla drums, the beautiful sound of the oud, and the swirling of traditional dancers. Everyone is excited to celebrate two people getting married.
There are also religious festivals like Eid al-Fitr after Ramadan and Eid al-Adha, which remembers Abraham's willingness to sacrifice his son. These are times for prayer, thinking, and of course, big meals.
These celebrations are about more than just parties. They show how important family, faith, and community are in Arab culture. It's a time for people to come together, connect with each other, and remember their shared history.